Hey everybody, Jason over at Kaiser Willys. Today we're going to be talking about our hubcaps for the two-wheel drive vehicles that we have offered in the past. We went out and we made these ourselves. We were a little unhappy with the paint job that was done on these for the ones that were coming out over the last several years. You've got some red and white, and then you had some red with white with a little bit of a silver outline. They had paint issues on both versions where paint was spilling over. You can see here on the ones that we had made, you've got this bright red here, and then you've got the white. You don't have any sort of overlapping lines. I don't know if this was done with a machine. I don't know that this would have been hand painted, but you've got a very glossy finish across the board, very clean. You don't have any sort of like orange peel that typically happens when paint goes down and then it doesn't dry all the way before another layer goes on or anything like that. So very clean cut. And again, there were two different versions that were being made, and you had this one, which was red on white, and then you had another one, which was deeper red with silver outline and white and gold paint. Both versions have paint issues. Both versions had paint overspilling onto the different lines that were on here. Ours do not. So again, you can see a very clean, glossy finish to it. So we're real happy with these. We have these at Kaiser Willys right now. We have a lot of them. We've already sold a lot of these. So if you want to pick up some, if you're interested, if you have any questions about any of our parts, we always want you to call us. Don't hold on to that. Don't hold back. Please call us if you have any sort of issues. We want to make sure that you're getting the product that you ordered. I get this call every now and again. Guys will come in or call and they'll be fired up when they talk to us, but we're here to help. And we want to make sure that you are getting the part that you ordered. If you're unhappy with it, if it's not fitting, call us. We may have some advice for you, but at the same time, we want to make sure that everything's done right. If we have to, we'll pick it up from you. We'll replace it. If you get a damaged part, if you get a part that has some paint issues or anything like that, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. My email is going to be in the bottom. Our contact information, phone number, and all that kind of stuff will be in the description below. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I appreciate you guys watching. Hubcaps are finally back in stock. See you guys.